So you might be in a weird situation where swipe ups on Snapchat are just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, let's say you're going into Snapchat and you're swiping up on somebody's story. I don't know whose story we're going to look at, but let's say it's some random person's story. But for some reason, when you're actually tapping onto it and you're actually swiping up on it, it's not actually allowing you to swipe up on it. Now, this can happen for lots and lots of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part, though, is making sure that your Snapchat application is updated. And if it's not updated, go ahead and update it. So we can do this by making our way over to our App Store, just like this, and searching up Instagram. So what we can do is we can just search up Instagram or just Snapchat. My bad, I forgot what video I'm making. So search up Snapchat right here. You want to tap on the Snapchat. And if there's an update button, you basically want to update your particular Snapchat application. If it's a story that allows you to swipe up on it, you're going to basically miss out on it because you're not going to be able to update it. So go ahead and update the application, and that right there is a very, very big thing you can do to pretty much fix this problem. Now, another thing that can basically cause problems here is you want to make sure that your specific story that you're swiping up on or whatever gives you the ability of actually swiping up on it. There's a lot of times where if you're posting a story, there's a lot of times that if somebody's posting a story, they don't even give you the capability of swiping up on that story in the first place. So in that particular case, you're pretty much just going to have to wait it out unless they have a different story that allows you to swipe up. A lot of celebrities don't have the capability of swiping up sometimes too. So if you're posting or if somebody's posting on their story, there may not be a swipe up capability on their particular story. So that's another thing to kind of keep in mind too. So that right there, if your application is updated and if your particular app is the story allows you to swipe up, you should be good to go for the most part. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.